Welcome back to Our Space Information. Once in a lifetime, everyone thinks to go beyond this planet. Are you ever wonder what it takes to prepare for the journey beyond this planet? So today we are delving into the fascinating world of astronaut training. I know what you all are thinking, another YouTuber asking for subscription, but hear me out, you don't want to miss next big discovery, right? And you know, subscribing to my channel increases your chance of finding alien life by 62%. So join our crew by hitting that subscribe button and let's explore this universe together. Subscribing to this could be your ticket of latest space exploration program. So be with me till the end so you don't miss any part of this astronaut training. First of all, let's talk about some basic qualification requirements. You need a bachelor's degree in engineering, physical science, biological science, computer science or in mathematics from an authorized institution. You need a professional experience of at least 3 years. If you are applying for pilot, then you must have at least 1000 hours of pilot in command time in jet aircraft. Additionally, you need to pass the physical examination. Your blood pressure should not exceed than 140/90 and your height must be between 62 and 75 inches. After clearing all these qualification requirements, all applicants will go through a selection process. This selection process includes personal interviews, medical screening and orientation. Once the final selections are made, then all the applicants are informed and the final selected applicants are now designated astronaut candidates. These astronaut candidates undergo a training which lasts for approximately 2 years. During this period, they participate in basic training program which develop their knowledge and skills which are required for formal missions. Let's see what type of physical training astronauts undergo. Before their flying syllabus, they need to complete the military water survival. By completing this, they become scuba qualified, which helps them to be familiar with the concept of spacewalk. Additionally, they are required to pass the swimming test during their first month of training. In this test, they need to swim 3 lengths of 25 meters without stopping in between. Then 3 another round wearing flight suit and tennis shoes with no time limit. They are exposed to problems associated with high atmospheric pressure, also known as hyperbaric, and low atmospheric pressure, also known as hypobaric. This helps them to learn to deal with emergencies. Besides these, what are the formal trainings of an astronaut? They are trained to operate each system, to recognize malfunctions and to perform corrective actions if needed. Neutral Buoyancy Laboratory provides neutral buoyancy operations in facility water tanks to simulate weightlessness condition which is experienced by the crew during space flights. Astronauts practice meal preparation, trash management, use of cameras and experiment operations. Pilot astronauts maintain flying proficiency by flying 15 hours per month, while non-pilot astronauts fly at least 4 hours per month. 2-seater T-38 jets are used for these practices. Stop here for a moment and you all have to tell me in the comments which of these trainings you are excited to do. Let's proceed. After completing all these tough trainings, after learning so many skills, what are the responsibilities of an astronaut? They are involved in all aspects of International Space Station and we are going to discuss about International Space Station after some time. So be with me through the whole video. It is going to be very helpful for you all. These on-orbit operations include extravehicular activities, robotic operation and other system-related operations. Astronauts are required to have a detailed knowledge of space station systems as well as operational characteristics. They should know about mission requirements and objectives. Long-duration missions generally takes up to 3 to 6 months. Training for these missions takes approximately 2 to 3 years other than initial training and evaluation period. After having all these responsibilities in mind, do you ever think how a day in the life of an astronaut goes in space? An astronaut explained, the day usually starts at 6 in the morning and NASA sends wake up music every morning. Interesting. and they have their breakfast, then communicate to mission control center for their schedule and task for the day, and they complete all their work around 6 in the evening. They have meal together, exercise daily for at least 2 hours, and then go to bed in their sleeping bags at around 10. This is the schedule of an astronaut. Don't forget to tell me in comments how comfortable you are in following this schedule. Now I am going to give you a little bit description about International Space Station program. And here is a fact that International Space Station is the largest international scientific and technological endeavor ever undertaken. I know you didn't know this fact before, but you know? Then put it in comments and let me know. Moving to our next point, it is a permanent scientific laboratory in which gravity, temperature and atmospheric pressure can be controlled. More than 200 individuals visited space station. It covered more than 1.5 billion miles, which is equivalent to 8 trips to Sun, and orbited Earth more than 60,000 times. Damn, it sounds really amazing. The station continues to expand its boundaries for space research. Do you know about 21st century astronauts? If yes, then write it in comments very fast before I start with it. Astronauts of 21st century will continue to work on International Space Station in cooperation with our international partners. They build and fly a new NASA vehicle, the Orion Multi-Purpose Crew Vehicle, which is designed for deep human space exploration. The Orion Multi-Purpose Crew Vehicle is designed on over 50 years of space flight experience and is designed for the need of our future space exploration. And that wraps up our deep dive into the fascinating world of astronaut training. From the rigorous selection process to the intense training and the daily life aboard the International Space Station, becoming an astronaut is truly a journey of dedication and passion. I am planning to post a poll in a day or two to gather your suggestions for the next video topic. Please contribute in it. Your support means universe to me. To ensure that you do not miss that poll, hit the bell icon after subscribing to my channel so you never miss an update. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumb and share it with your friends who are as passionate about space as we are. Don't forget to subscribe to OurSpaceInformation for more captivating content about the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious. This universe is full of wonders waiting to be explored.